How to create SVG files programmatically in C#.net. First, open Visual Studio and select Create a new project. Choose a console app with C# as the language. Next, name your project and make sure the framework is set to .NET 8 or later. Then, create the project to begin. In this project, we will have three methods. The main method, the Create Grape City Logo SVG method, and the Create Messiest Logo SVG method. We will populate these methods to generate two SVG images programmatically. First, open the new Git Package Manager. Search for ds.documents.imaging. Select the package and install it into the project. This adds the library as a project dependency. After installation, you can confirm the package appears under dependencies. Next, we add the required using statements. These namespaces provide access to the API classes we will use throughout the project. Now we update the main method. Here we call both SVG creation methods. We also add a console.writeLine statement so we know when the program finishes running. Inside the Create Grape City Logo SVG method, we begin by creating a new SVG document. We then set the width and height in pixels. Next, we create the outer ellipse. We define the radii values and configure the fill and stroke properties. After that, we create the inner circle element. This forms the center portion of the logo. Next, we define the handles that create the curved shape. This is done using an SVG path builder. We then create an SVG path element using the path data we defined. The fill color is applied to complete the shape. Now we add the ellipse, circle, and path elements to the SVG document. Next, we define the view box. This ensures the SVG displays at the correct scale. Finally, we save the generated SVG file to disk. Next, we move to the Create Messiest Logo SVG method. Again, we begin by creating a new SVG document and setting the width and height. We calculate the midpoint of the image. This allows us to mirror the bottom half to create the top half of the design. Next, we define the list of points that make up the bottom half of the logo. Then we generate the top half. We reverse the bottom points and copy them into a new list. This creates a symmetrical shape. We combine the top and bottom point lists into a single outline. This outline represents the full shape of the logo. Next, we create a path builder to construct the outline. We begin by defining the starting point of the path. Then we loop through the remaining points. Each point is connected with a line segment. Finally, the path is closed. Next, we create an SVG path element from the generated path data. This defines how the shape will be drawn. We then add the path element to the SVG document. Next, we define the view box so the image displays correctly. Finally, we save the SVG file to disk. Now we run the application. After the build completes, the console message confirms that the SVG logos were created successfully. Next, we open File Explorer and navigate to the project output folder. Here we can see the generated SVG files. First, we open the Grape City logo created using basic shapes. Then we open the Messiest logo created using point-based geometry. To learn more about document solutions for imaging, explore our demos and full documentation at developer.messiest.com/demos.